Hello, algebra. All right, I've gotten a few questions about our digital mystery picture. So what I'm going to do is help you out with problem number 2, x squared plus 5x minus 1. Here we go. All righty. So if you're looking at your foldable, this would be an example of the very last flap at the very bottom. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one over to the other side. All right, so I have x squared plus 5x. I'm going to leave a blank for the c I want. And on the other side, I now have a negative 4. Alrighty, so I'm going to make myself a note. I want c to equal 5 over 2 squared. And I'm guessing we don't like this because of fractions, right? Fractions scare everybody. All right, so that's 25 over 4. Now, if I go and add 25 over 4 on one side of the equation, I need to add it to the other side. There we go. All right. Now, the whole reason I did this was because now I have a perfect square trinomial on the left-hand side. So that would be x plus 5 halves quantity squared. Now, on the right, if you forgot how to do fractions, it might have been a while, you would make this have a common denominator. I'd put it over 1, and then I want it to have a denominator of 4. So I'd multiply both by 4 to get negative 16 over 4. Everybody with me? So, a negative 16 over 4 plus 25 over 4. Wouldn't that be 9 over 4? I think so. I think we're doing a great job so far. All right, now I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to take the square root. That leaves me with x plus 5 halves equals plus and minus. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 4 is 2. Look at this. This is going to work out nice. They have the same denominator. All right, I'm going to take that 5 halves over to this side. So I'm going to get x equals a negative 5 plus and minus 3 over 2. All right. You can leave them as individual separate fractions or just combine them. That's up to you. All right, so let's do this. X equals a negative 5 plus 3 would be a negative 2 over 2, which equals negative 1. And x equals a negative 5 minus 3 is a negative 8 over 2, which is a negative 4. Dun, da, da, da. X is negative 4 and negative 1. Look at that. You did it. Don't freak out about the fractions. You got this. Great job.